A beautiful home in the wrong suburb can turn into your biggest mistake. I'm Trevor Whittaker with eXp Realty South Africa, and today I'm showing you how to evaluate any suburb before you buy, no matter where in the country you're looking. Because when you understand why certain suburbs perform better than others, you don't just buy property, you buy long term value. Correct. Start with the basics. Accessibility. Ask yourself, how far is your suburb from work, schools, and major routes? Look, a 2 million rand home that costs you hours in traffic every day, that's not a good buy. Look for areas with multiple road access points and reliable public transport and planned infrastructure. These are indicators of a suburb that will hold or decrease in value over time. Next is safety and stability. Check current crime statistics and talk to local residents. They'll tell you more than any estate agent's brochure is going to tell you. Areas with active neighborhood watches and consistent municipal upkeep tend to perform better as well. Another consideration. Remember, a clean, well maintained area often signals a stable, invested community. Then we look at value growth. Don't just check today's prices. Research what the market has been saying and where it's going. Ask, are homes selling quickly? Are developers investing nearby? Is demand increasing? If the suburbs price curve is rising consistently, you're probably looking at a solid long-term investment. Now, let's talk lifestyle fit. What matters to you? Schools, parks, cafes, or peace and quiet? Every suburb has its own rhythm. Some are family focused, others appeal to young professionals or retirees. A suburb that fits your lifestyle will always hold greater personal and resale value. Finally, consider community and demographic trends. Is the area growing younger, more family oriented, or becoming more commercial? Areas with stable, engaged communities are less volatile and buyers stay longer, which helps keep prices firm and trending upward. Look beyond the bricks, look beyond the mortar. Understand the people and culture of that particular suburb. Now, I have a few red flags that you need to watch out for. Number one, too many for sale boards in one street tells a story. Number two, ongoing municipal neglect. Number three, property staying on the market for months on end without offers. Those are signs of decline or instability in a suburb and should trigger a deeper investigation before you buy. Remember, you're not just buying a property, you're buying everything around that property. Evaluate the suburb first, and you'll always make smarter, safer decisions. Again, I'm Trevor Whittaker with eXp Realty South Africa, helping you buy smart, not sorry. Follow and subscribe for next week's video. The biggest mistakes buyers make when viewing a property.